mid-1860s, a guy by the name of Alfred Nobel created a product known as nitroglycerin, or commonly referred to as dynamite, along with the blasting cap needed to make it explode. Explosives used in mining have delivered materials such as limestone, cement, and concrete, which all became common building materials. Explosives opened the door for railroad building, road building, dams, oil and gas exploration, and highway development. It is safe to say that our nation has been built with the help of explosives. Borehole drilling has been used for many years. Common types of drilling rigs used over the years are the use of compressed air and rotary percussive rigs, the use of large rotary drills, and the use of down-the-hole hammer drills. Hydraulic hammers quickly gained popularity during the 1970s. The act of drilling and blasting is done to break big rock into small rock for an aggregate production. Drilling and blasting is commonly used to clear rock for building roads, landings, or ditches to allow logging companies to operate more efficiently on steep terrain. Nowadays, rock drills are commonly seen on track carriages and used to drill boreholes. These small and efficient machines are very productive because of their ability to maneuver between boreholes or across jagged rock surfaces. As the steel rod and bit impacts and rotates through the rock, compressed air is blown through the steel rod and bit to remove dust and cuttings from the hole. Rods can typically range from 10 to 20 feet in length. Steel rods are continually added off the machine to reach the desired depth. Depths typically range from 30 to 60 feet, but it's not uncommon to drill an 80-foot or deeper borehole. There are many factors that define a successful rock drilling contractor. Site prepping, planning, surveying, and communication throughout the entire drilling operation are essential, but the most important element relies heavily on the machine and the operator capabilities. The rates of rock being drilled can vary from 20 to 100 feet an hour. Explosives that are commonly used in commercial blasting are AMFO, ammonium nitrate fuel oil, and emulsion. Emulsion is commonly transferred in a bulk truck and pumped down the borehole. A 200-foot long hose is used to discharge the emulsion. AMFO and emulsion are used extensively for initiating the blast hole. Individual cartridges vary in size from approximately 1 to 8 inches in diameter and 8 to 24 inches in length. AMFO and emulsion must be first detonated by a special primer or cast booster. A blasting cap is tied to a booster and placed down the borehole. Once the booster is down the borehole, AMFO or emulsion is either blown, pumped, or poured down the hole. AMFO and emulsion are booster-sensitive products and must come in direct contact with the booster. Once AMFO or emulsion are placed down the boreholes, detonators are used to fire the blast site. Emulsion is best used in wet boreholes, which can reduce the time needed to load a specific shot. AMFO is commonly used in a dry borehole. Millisecond delay electronic detonators are commonly used in construction and surface blasting operations. Millisecond delays can be used in single or multiple row shots. By not incorporating surface delays into the blast, minimal fragmentation or movement may occur. Today, AMFO is used roughly 80% of the time in construction blasting. Planning, prepping, and designing the blast is a key and extremely important element in blasting. Every blast must meet the conditions of rock formations and overburdens. Seams, voids, fractures in the rocks, or changes in bench heights are always considered in designing the blast. Today, commercial rock drilling and blasting continues to be necessary in many construction projects and mining operations. Mining, quarrying, and explosives continue to play a key role in the development of our great nation.